Welcome to Stuff Lab, I'm Gwen.
And I'm Marty.
And today we are doing a suggested video from Wolf-Ray Tiger's Vids, the Ethiopian wolf.
All right then.
Yeah. All right, Marty, where do you think they live?
I'm gonna take a wild guess.
Yes.
It's Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, you are correct.
Nice.
Ethiopia, approximately here-ish. They are native to the Ethiopian highlands. There are 7 isolated mountain ranges at altitudes of 3,000 to 4,500 meters. That's generally where they live.
All right.
Yeah. Description.
Oh, that good dog.
Yeah. They're similar in size to the North American coyote.
Okay.
They have very elongated heads, long jaw, and widely spaced teeth.
Yeah, I can tell it's definitely...
This bit is just... They have broad forward-facing ears, relatively long legs compared to other canids in Africa. They have a reddish coat with white markings. When they were first being viewed, most of the European scientists were like, it's just a weird-looking fox.
Yeah.
Yeah. Diet. What do you think they eat?
Smaller animals in them. Mammals. Smaller mammals in them.
Small mammals?
Yep.
Small mams.
I wouldn't really say insects at all. If it's as big as the coyote, I don't think it'd deal with that. So, birds. Small birds that they can catch.
Tickle me feet or not tickle me feet?
I think whatever they can catch. So both. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Are they a pack animal?
They are a pack animal, yes.
Okay, then some larger...
Would you like to know the scope of the pack?
Yeah, how many are in a pack?
Up to 20.
Oh,
generally,
okay.
packs are around 6.
Okay. Maybe some of... they are a pack animal, maybe some smaller... No, not really smaller.
Again, they also live in mountains.
Oh, that's right.
I'm just trying to give you...
Goats?
Goats?
Not armored goats, but goats.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not really familiar on like what like big lives in Ethiopia, but like I was gonna say like larger animals if they are a pack animal, but like
So like an antelope or
like
a
yeah, like
similar
antelopes, stuff like that. There's not elephants and stuff there. They're like rhinos, I think. So like, they wouldn't take down those. We'll just go with this for now. Yeah.
With this?
Yeah.
Okay. So unlike most canids, this wolf is highly specialized to feed on Afro-alpine rodents,
Okay.
such as the big-headed African mole rats. Occasionally, they will hunt the mountain Nyla as a calf. It's an antelope found in high elevations in Ethiopia.
Okay.
Goslings and eggs.
Nice.
So
the not tickle me feet.
the not tickle me feet side.
Okay.
So yeah, you were pretty close.
Cool.
No specific mention of goats.
Okay. I was thinking mountain goats, like that kind of thing.
Wolves in Bale, there's Bale Mountains, have been observed foraging among cattle herds or grazing galadas, an old world monkey, kind of considered like an old world baboon.
Okay.
Kind of a thing, or I think also called the heart-chested monkey, using them to hide their presence from what they're hunting. So imagine like a game of whack-a-mole, because rodents burrow and have tunnels. They use the cattle or whatever's. If they're wandering around here, they'll hide off to either side of them, because then they are not seen as a predator.
Okay.
Because you can't see them. And if one of the big-headed mole rats pops out, they can grab it.
Okay. Well, very smart.
The cattle don't seem to mind being used for whatever.
And
Because,
I'm assuming they're not eating the cattle then.
Nope.
Okay.
and the monkeys will tolerate them. The babies are about the same size as what they're hunting after. But through evolution and trial and error, they discovered, they will get much more food going after the rats than they will attacking the monkeys.
I'm assuming the monkeys would beat the crap out of them.
I'm certain. I didn't look up anything really about the
Okay.
monkeys. Maybe in the future. Okay, on to predators.
That's a very handsome boy.
Yeah, so handsome. What do you think is... There's one answer. It looks like a stick man.
Is it people?
It is people.
Okay. I was trying to think of an animal that looks like a stickman. Like,
Walking stick?
I was like, there's no, a pack of walking sticks? Oh, that'd be awful.
I feel new lore coming up in our future.
Oh, God.
Humans.
Okay.
That high up in the mountains, there's not really a ton of stuff
Okay.
going on that actively seeks it out. They do have beef with some other wolves over territory, but whichever one is invading the other territory is usually the one that gets the crap kicked out of it, and then they run away. So they're not really predators, it's just normal territory stuff.
Okay.
Breeding! Mating season is usually August to November. Packs consisting of up to 20 adults, but packs of 6 are more common. Mm-hmm. There will be 1 breeding female, and the rest are reproductively suppressed.
Okay.
Courtship involves the male following the female closely, also known as stalking like a creep. So just follow her around.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Breeding females only accept the advances of breeding males or males from other packs. Gestation is 60 to 62 days. How big do you think the litters are? Five-ish? It is 2 to 6 pups.
Okay.
Most females leave their natal pack at about 2 years of age, reducing the chance of inbreeding.
Smart. Oh, what? Is he eating something?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that one of those big-headed mole rats?
I'm not sure what it is.
I thought he was yawning at first. It's like, no, that's stuff in there.
There's stuff in there. The status. What do you think your status is?
I'm gonna guess endangered.
You're going to guess endangered?
Yeah.
You are correct.
Okay.
In 1938, it was recognized the species needed protection, and it was granted that protection in 1974.
Wow, nothing like
Waiting
government
4
dragging their
years?
heels.
Yeah. In 2012, how many individuals do you think?
You said packs of up to 20? And there are...
So individuals means of breeding age. Mm-hmm. So they are not counting any pups in this.
I'm gonna go 800 to 2,000. I know it's a big jump, but somewhere in there. That's it.
360 to 440. More than half of them living in the Bale Mountains.
Okay.
Human population expansion is causing habitat degradation, disease transference, and interbreeding from free-ranging dogs. Oxford University has the Ethiopian Wolf Conservation Program, seeking to protect wolves through vaccination and community programs.
Okay.
So they don't want to corral them all into an area, they want them to be freely dispersed.
Like they're supposed to.
But if they're having problems catching diseases from people's dogs that have gone off into the wilderness, they will catch and vaccinate against things.
Okay.
What else we got here? Killing one carries a 2-year jail sentence.
Good. Oh, look at that good boy.
So I'm going to start off with, there's no mention of any lore in culture or folklore of Ethiopia, but it was recorded that natives never wore the fur because it was believed the wearer would die should any of the wolf hairs enter an open wound.
Okay. Did they think it was dirty, or was it like a bad omen kind of thing?
Did not say.
Didn't say? Okay.
Literally what I read you is what it said.
Oh, okay.
And I went searching for other lore and cultural significance, and I could not find any. Fun facts. They have a couple different names that they're known by in English and in indigenous names. Would you like to guess what they are?
That fox-looking thing. The English.
In English, the Simian fox.
Okay.
Or jackal.
Oh, that's a jackal?
No, it was also called the Simian jackal.
Oh, okay. I was like, okay. Because I know the jackal's a thing in Africa.
Yeah, it is.
But, okay. But this is not it.
No. So in indigenous, what do you think? It includes jackal in the name for each of these two as well.
Mountain jackal?
So
Highland jackal?
We'll just get those out of the way first. Okay, so what are you guessing?
Mountain jackal. Or red jackal. Or...
Oh, you're very close. There's one more word at the end here.
Dog?
And this one is reddish for its third word.
Reddish?
Reddish. Like a reddish color. So we have red jackal blank and blank jackal reddish.
Okay, if I was this animal, I'd be like reddish. Like you put ish at the end of stuff and it's like, nah. It kind of takes away the significance of any of it. Makes me sad for the dog.
Look at it, it's reddish.
Well, yeah, but like, I don't know.
Anyways, what?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, this is trickster,
I like it.
and this is horses. Like, possessively horses.
Horses, jackal, reddish.
Yep.
Okay. Who?
Indigenous names.
Okay.
So a lot of indigenous things are descriptive words given to a thing. So this is saying possessively horses.
Okay.
They don't hunt bigger animals. They use them to hide to catch their prey.
Okay.
So it's possible that they thought that horses and these things like to be together. So it was the horses, reddish jackal, or jackal reddish.
I like the jackal trickster.
I do also enjoy that one a lot. Okay, so in 1994, mitochondrial DNA studies showed that they share a closer relationship with the gray wolf and coyote rather than other African canids. They may be an evolutionary relic of the gray wolf-like ancestors' past invasion of northern Africa from Eurasia. So they're more closely related to wolves and coyotes in North America than they are to other canids in Africa.
That's cool.
Yeah. Their fur can protect them in temperatures as low as negative 15 degrees Celsius, which is also 5 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, okay.
Since the Ethiopian wolf typically poses no threat to livestock, farmers often leave herds in wolf-inhabited areas unattended.
Well, I mean, I guess, because I'm sure other things probably wouldn't come near it then, if there's a pack of wolves in there. Oh, that's really cool.
Yep.
You just got their little protectors out there.
Yep. I find it
Horse's
refreshing.
best friend.
I find it refreshing that it's not purposely hunted due to livestock.
Yeah.
They're just like, whatever.
Have fun.
Get some big-headed mole rats. Enjoy.
So, yeah, okay. It is horse's best friend then. Yeah, okay.
So, comments, questions? If I don't know the answer, I will pop it up on the screen, and you will learn later when you watch it.
Not really. I don't really, I don't really have anything on this.
I don't really either. They do just kind of look like a red-colored coyote to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for your suggestion. It was very greatly appreciated. Again, that's Wolfrey Tiger Vids. Thank you. If you have a suggestion for something you'd like to learn a little bit more about or see other people learn about, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.